Want to know the secret to growing a YouTube channel from absolute zero? Most creators fail because they're missing these 5 game-changing strategies that work with AI tools like TubeMagic. I've studied channels that went from zero to millions of subscribers, and today I'm revealing the exact formula they used. Here's the brutal truth about starting on YouTube. Your first videos will probably flop, but that's not failure, that's data. The creators who make it understand this fundamental principle while others quit after their third video gets 20 views. I'm going to show you how to use TubeMagic AI to skip past the guesswork and start getting results faster than ever before. Secret number 1 is the foundation principle that separates winners from quitters. You absolutely must publish your first videos and embrace the learning process. Most people spend months planning the perfect channel without uploading anything. Meanwhile, successful creators are gathering real data from real videos. TubeMagic AI can help you generate compelling video ideas instantly, removing the biggest barrier to getting started. The algorithm needs content to analyze, and you need experience to improve. Set a goal to upload at least 30 videos before making any major decisions about your channel's direction. Secret number 2 focuses on niche mastery using AI insights. YouTube's algorithm rewards channels that serve specific audiences consistently. When you jump between gaming, cooking, and fitness content, the platform gets confused about who should see your videos. TubeMagic AI excels at identifying profitable sub-niches within your main topic. For example, if you choose fitness, you might focus specifically on home workouts for busy professionals. The AI can analyze trending keywords and suggest content angles that have proven demand. This focused approach creates a compound effect where each successful video boosts your entire channel's performance. The third secret involves strategic content scheduling powered by data analysis. Consistency beats perfection every single time on YouTube. But here's what most creators miss. You need to produce more content than you publish. Create 5 videos but only upload 3 per week. This builds a content buffer that protects your schedule during busy periods. TubeMagic AI can streamline this process by generating multiple video concepts simultaneously, helping you batch create content efficiently. The algorithm favors channels that maintain predictable upload schedules because it can better distribute your content to engaged audiences. Secret number 4 is demand validation through AI-powered research. Before creating any video, you must confirm people actually want to watch that content. TubeMagic AI analyzes search volumes, competition levels, and trending topics to identify content opportunities. Look for video topics where existing content gets 50,000 to 100,000 views consistently. This indicates healthy demand without oversaturation. The AI can reveal long-tail keywords and emerging trends that manual research might miss. Smart creators use this data to create content that the audience is already searching for, rather than hoping people will stumble upon random topics. The final secret maximizes viewer retention using psychological triggers. Session time is YouTube's most important ranking factor. When viewers watch multiple videos in sequence, it signals high-quality content to the algorithm. Design your videos to naturally lead into your next piece of content. Instead of ending with generic subscribe reminders, tease your next video's value proposition. TubeMagic AI can help identify which topics work best together, creating natural content flows that keep audiences engaged. Study your analytics religiously, focusing on audience retention graphs and click-through rates. When retention drops at specific timestamps, analyze what happened and adjust your future content accordingly. The most successful YouTube creators understand that growth requires patience combined with strategic optimization. Mr. Beast uploaded over 1,000 videos before gaining significant traction. However, using AI tools like TubeMagic can dramatically accelerate your learning curve by providing data-driven insights from day one. The key is treating every video as a learning opportunity rather than expecting viral success immediately. Your thumbnails and titles determine whether anyone clicks your content, regardless of video quality. TubeMagic AI can generate multiple title variations and suggest thumbnail elements based on successful videos in your niche. Test different approaches and double down on what works. Aim for click-through rates above 6% and average view duration above 60%. These metrics indicate content that YouTube wants to promote widely. Remember that suggested videos drive more traffic than search results. When someone finishes watching your video, YouTube decides what to show them next. Create content series where each video naturally connects to others on your channel. This increases the likelihood of viewers watching multiple videos in one session, boosting your overall channel performance significantly. Success on YouTube isn't about luck or going viral overnight. It's about understanding the platform's mechanics and consistently delivering value to your target audience. TubeMagic AI removes much of the guesswork by providing data-driven insights that guide your content strategy. Focus on these 5 secrets, stay persistent through the inevitable challenges, and watch your channel grow from zero to thriving community. Start implementing these strategies today because every day you delay is another day your potential audience is watching someone else's content instead of discovering yours.